Vishnuvardhan, born on 18 September 1950 in Mysore, Mysore state, Karnataka, India. Vishnuvardhan died on 30th December 2009, aged 59 in Mysore, Karnataka, India. Vishnuvardhan is an Indian actor who worked predominantly in Kannada cinema, besides also having sporadically appeared in Tamil, Hindi, Telugu, and Malayalam language films. We are remembering Vishnuvardhan with this Ade Bhumi Ade Banu song. ಅದೇ ಭೂಮಿ ಅದೇ ಬಾನು ಈ ನಯನ ನೂತನ ಅದೇ ದಾರಿ ಅದೇ ತಿರುವು ಈ ಪಯಣ ನೂತನ ನನ್ನ ಮೋಡ ನನ್ನ ಹಾಡು ನನ್ನ ಕನಸೇ ಒಮ್ಮೆ ನೋಡು ನನ್ನ ಬೇಣುವಿನ ನಂದನ ಓ ಏನು ಮಧುರೈ ಬಂಧನ ಈ ಭೂಮಿ ಅದೇ ಬಾನು ಈ ನಯನ ನೂತನ. Sampath Kumar, known by his stage name Vishnuvardhan, was an Indian actor who worked predominantly in Kannada cinema, besides also having sporadically appeared in Tamil, Hindi, Telugu, and Malayalam language films. Vishnuvardhan has a prolific career spanning over 4 decades, during which he has acted in more than 220 films. A popular cultural icon of Karnataka and holds the status of a matinee idol among the Kannada diaspora. We miss you, Vishnuvardhan. ಉದಯ ಕಿರಣ ಸಲಿದಾಗ ಮಾವ ಪನಿಯು ಮಲಿದಾಗ ಋತುವಿನ ಬಂಧನ ಹೃದಯ ಕಣ್ಣಲ್ಲಿ ಉಳಿವಾಗ ಬಿರಿತು ಈ ಜೀವನಲಿವಾಗ ಒಲವಿನ ಬಂಧನ ಅದೇ ಭೂಮಿ ಅದೇ ಬಾನು ಈ ನಯನ ನೂತನ ಅದೇ ದಾರಿ ಅದೇ ತಿರುವು ಈ ಪಯಣ ನೂತನ ನನ್ನ ಮೋಡ ನನ್ನ ಹಾಡು ನನ್ನ ಕನಸೇ ಒಮ್ಮೆ ನೋಡು ನನ್ನ ಚೆಲುವಿನ ನಂದನ ವೇಣು ಮಧುರೈ ಬಂಧನ Vishnuvardhan is popularly called as Sahasa Simha, Dada, and the Angry Youngman of Kannada cinema. We are remembering Vishnuvardhan on his 75th birthday anniversary. ಕನಸಿನ ನೂರು ಎಲೆಯಿಂದ ನೋಯುವ ಗೂಡು ಸಂಬಂಧ ನಲುಮೆಯ ಬಂಧನ ಯಾರು ಕರೆದಂತ ದೂರಿಂದ ಗರಿಯ ತೆರಿದಂದ ಮರಿಬಿಂದ ಗಿಲುವಿಯ ಬಂಧನ ಅದೇ ಭೂಮಿ ಅದೇ ಬಾನು ಈ ನಯನ ನೂತನ ಅದೇ ದಾರಿ ಅದೇ ತೆರು ಈ ಪಯಣ ನೂತನ ನನ್ನ ಮೋಡ ನನ್ನ ಹಾಡು ನನ್ನ ಕನಸೇ ಒಮ್ಮ ನೋಡು ನನ್ನ ಚೆಲುವಿನ ನಂದನ ಮಧುರೈ ಬಂಧನ ಅದೇ ಭೂಮಿ ಅದೇ ಭಾನು ವಿನಯನ ನೂತನ. We remembered Vishnuvardhan on his 75th birthday anniversary with this Ade Bhumi Ade Bhanu from Ibandhanam movie. Vishnuvardhan's contributions to Kannada cinema have been praised by his contemporaries in Indian film industry. The government of Karnataka honored with him the Rajyotsava Prashasti in 1990 and the Dr. Rajkumar Lifetime Achievement Award in 2007 for his contributions to Kannada cinema. Vishnuvardhan was called the phoenix of Indian cinema. In 2008, a poll conducted by CNN IPN listed Vishnuvardhan as the most popular star in the Kannada film industry. Vishnuvardhan married spouse Rao, uh, Bharti Rao in 1975, both of them blessed with two children. We remembered Vishnuvardhan on his 75th birthday anniversary with the song Ade Bhumi Ade Bhavnu from E. Bandhana movie.